What's up? Danny High Soccer with Colony helping people do their business better. Today we have the Yealink BH76 with active noise canceling speakers. Stay tuned. All right, so today we have the Yealink BH76. It's a active noise canceling speaker Bluetooth headset that comes with a USB dongle to help you connect to your computer and your mobile phone. It comes in at an MSRP of $359. It has a 2-year warranty. It is only dual ear, headband style, and the microphone can only be worn on the right side. Wireless range is up to 30 meters or up to 100 feet. I'm sure that's in an open area. We're gonna go ahead and do a wireless range test here as well and to see how far we can go. So you get a talk time of up to 35 hours, music time of up to 40 hours. So one of the cool little features is you can charge it wirelessly. So you see the Qi charging, right? So this guy, you would connect to power, right? And then you put the headset on there. And then another thing that you could do that's kind of cool is you could actually set it on there as a headset stand, and then you can put your phone here and charge it as well. All right, so there you go. Let's get set up for a wireless range test, and then we'll get into testing the microphone. Stay tuned. So I am going to go over here to my desk or to my door. And so right here is 12 feet. So the Yealink BH76 is connected or paired to the BT51 dongle on my laptop over there. And so now let's just go for a little field trip out through my house here. All right, so here we go. And again, as I mentioned, this is roughly 24 feet. We're going to get into the living room area, and this is roughly 30 some feet. And then we're going to head over to my front door, which is 55 feet. So I'm here now. I'm going to open the door. It's a little bit cool. It's absolutely gorgeous here in Florida today. All right, so we are back, and so now let's get into some mic tests. So number one, some of the tests that I do on this channel are extreme. No one should actually be working in those environments, at least for any sustained period of time, right? I get, especially dogs bark, and I get that. I have a dog, and he barks every now and then. So that's very common. But being in just crazy noise is probably not very common, right? So let's just understand that this is just to push the limits of these headsets to see how well the microphone will perform. All right, so first let's start with something simple like the TV. All right, so this is what it would sound like if you were using the Yealink BH76
per gallon.
television volume all the way
Meanwhile,
up.
nationwide diesel prices have not fallen nearly as much as.
Oh wow, that's loud. Here, I'm testing this. All right, so even with the active noise canceling on,
which relies upon diesel fuel.
All right, so I muted that because that's just extremely loud. So since we're here in the house, let's do some housework here in the house. So I believe this is like some vacuuming or something. Yeah. All right, so right now there's vacuuming sound. Yealink B76, and somebody was vacuuming in the background. So let's do the blender test, right? So here we have my good old-fashioned, here, let me pull out so you guys can see. So here's my handy dandy Vitamix here, and we're gonna go ahead and crank it on and see what happens. We'll start halfway and then we'll just crank it all the way up. All right, so there you go. So here's the blender kind of turned on halfway mark. And I'm gonna just crank that up. All right, so now the blender is cranked up all the way. And look, you can always mute. And you can unmute. So this is what it would sound like if you're using the Yealink BH76 and there was a loud blender running in the background. So let's say you're using this in an open office environment. This is what it would sound like. All right. So this is what it would sound like if you were using the Yealink BH76 in an open office contact center style environment. All right. Now this would be normal, right? So this would be a normal scenario. All right. Now let's get into a request that I get frequently, which is chickens. I don't know if it's our chickens, is chickens. I don't know. Let's listen to some chickens because I think that's hilarious. And chickens are about 60 to 70 decibels per the interwebs, right? That's what they say. All right, so this is what it would sound like if you lived somewhere and you had chickens just roaming around, you know, doing their thing. And this is what it would sound like if you were using the Yealink BH76 and there were chickens just running around. So silly. All right, and then let's do another very common request. So another common request are barking dogs. So let's get some dogs barking. All right, so like my own dog, sometimes I recorded him and he got up to like 86 decibels at points. But anyway, this is what it would sound like. Here, let me show you the decibel reader. This is what it would sound like if you're using the Yealink BH76 and there were dogs barking all around. All right, so there you go. There's a overview and wireless range test and mic test of the Yealink BH76. If you like these type of videos, please subscribe, and comment below. Let us know what other videos you'd like to see or what are the headsets you'd like to see tested in these environments, and we'll do our best to do it. Thanks.